Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha and in this video I am going to tell you 10 resources that you should not miss doing before the CA exams. So I have listed down here. Let's start. The first thing is RTP, that is the revision test papers. If we go to icai.org website, go to the student section and there you will find this BOS knowledge portal. Go to this portal and here you will find the RTP for your particular course, like we see CA final new syllabus RTP. And the good thing is that RTP for last 4 attempts is given. This is a must do before the exam because sometimes direct questions are asked from the RTP and the amendments are also covered in the RTP for every subject like law and audit. So you should not miss doing it before the exams. The second resource that you should not miss is MTP, that is mock test papers. It is also given on this BOS portal. If we will go to the particular subject, like we say financial reporting, here the mock test papers are given. Series 1 questions and answers. This is also a must do because sometimes questions are asked from this also, and you will come to know about the pattern of question paper and the allotment of marks. So just go through it and also the solutions to know that how you should present the answers. The third resource is academic updates, that is the amendments. So this is particularly for the subjects like law, audit, tax, which keep on changing. So here you will find significant amendments for that particular attempt. These are very important because questions are framed from the latest amendments. So do not forget to cover it very nicely. If you find it difficult to cover from here, you can watch the amendment lectures of any faculty that you want. The fourth resource is sample MCQs, that is sample questions for 30/70 assessment. You will find this here where all the subjects are given. These are also given subject wise. These are also very important. You will get an idea that what type of MCQs are asked from the examination and you will find the solutions here. So there is no problem in it. The fifth resource is additional case studies or case scenarios by ICAI. This is particularly true for the practical subjects like costing, if we see strategic cost management and performance evaluation. These are certain additional case studies topic wise, so just go through them, and additional case scenarios are also given topic wise. So a case study is given and along with that the solution is also given. So you will get an idea that how to solve the case study and how to write it precisely while writing the exams. Sixth resource is suggested answers. These are for a previous attempt. You have to refer them to get an idea that what type of answers is expected by ICAI, what type of presentation is expected. So go through them. Like this you will find the question along with the solution. These are very important. The seventh resource is questions for practice. These are also given on the BOS portal and these are also given subject wise. Like if we go to a particular subject, you will see like it is not given for every subject. Like in this indirect subject paper chapter 2, these types of questions are given for practice, and the good thing is that solution is also given below every question, so you don't have to search for the solution. These are also very important from exam point of view. Eighth resource is e-capsules by ICAI or referencer for quick revision on the BOS portal. You should refer them for revision Like you can see referencer for quick revision. This is given group wise. All the topics are covered very precisely and in a very nice format. I have told in my previous videos also that these e-capsules are very helpful and very important. You can cover the entire subject very precisely from here, and you will also retain it if you do it from here, because the presentation is very nice. The ninth thing is skill assessment. This is also given on the BOS portal. In this you will find that what type of answer is expected for a particular question, and you will also find section wise weightages for subject, skill wise weightages, like you can see here. Skill assessment specification under the revised scheme of education and training. Skill assessment specification under the revised scheme of education and training, foundation, intermediate and final course. And here you will find that in a particular type of question, which type of answers should you write, like if comprehension and knowledge is asked or analysis or application is asked. So the nature of questions is given and the application and analysis is given, that which type of words will be given in that type of questions. 10th thing is significant case laws or judicial update. You will find this in the subjects like taxation. They have given the latest case laws as well as the judicial update in this section for a particular attempt. So just go through it, and if you don't have enough time, read this Supreme Court's decision. It will be enough if you don't have much time. That is the case name, the case and the decision. So friends, these were the 10 resources that you should not miss before exams. Do them thoroughly before the exams to get success. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more such useful videos.